welcome back to my channel Basic Code. Today we are going to do the reusable component. The reusable component we used when we want to repeat some code or some message, repeat some message code in different component. Like if we want to say we want to pop up a message over here that welcome to a user component, and we want to same message we want to show over here as well, welcome to employee component. And if we want to show the same message in all the components, then that time we can create one of reusable component. What we do with the reusable component, what the code that we know we are going to show this alert message or some any kind of message to the different components, then what we do, we put the same code in one of the component, and then we use that component to pass the value. Then we do not need to repeat the same code again and again. We can just add our component, app component, and we can use that code. Let's create one of the component to create a reusable component. Let's say, okay, we need to create one component. Okay, let's create a component. Ngc, we can say message component. Okay. Okay, in that file, in the HTML, what we will do, we will put all the content that we want to repeat in that component, that HTML file. Let's say this one. In this one, what we will do, let's say we want to show a div message that will show us our alert message that we will add in this. Let's say alert, 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 success. Okay, we want to show this one code. We know we need to show this message in all the components, or maybe we need to same message we will repeat in the same component again and again. Then we can, that's why we are creating this one. Okay, let's say h1 success. Okay, we will say success, this is a user component. Okay. Okay, let's save this one. Okay, how are we gonna show this one? Let's go to the user component. If we want to show this one alert message here, then what we need to use just this app, whatever, what was our component's name, reusable component, message component, and we can use like this. This one is not, we need to add in this one. And we need to import this one in this module. Okay, what is our name? Message component. Okay, now the error is gone. Okay, like the same message we want to show in this employee component as well. How to do this one? Just add this one message component. Okay, that's it. And this automatically, this one downloaded the file in this. Okay, let me open this one and let's save this one. Like this one already imported the component. So now let's check if we can see this message. This is user component, and this one is a, this is showing the same message again and again. So what we need to do, we need to change this message. Okay, we want to show the different message over here and the different message in the user component. Let's say we want to show this is the user component. If we will go to the employee component, we want to show this is the employee component. How to do this one? Okay, let's make it dynamic. Now this one is showing us a static information that we just entered in this. Okay, let's go to the our component ts file. Let's make it dynamic. To, to make it dynamic, we are going to use input decorator. Okay, first we are going to declare one variable. Let's say it's a message. Okay, then we will find the type, the string. Okay, and this one is showing us an error because we need to import it. Input. Okay, let's go to the HTML file. Now what we will do, we will pass our message over here. Let's say with the help of string. That one is showing us. That one already suggesting it. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to pass the component data dynamic from the user component. Then the message you want to show in that div that we will pass in this user component now. How to do this one? We will use property binding over here. This one is already showing us our variable that we declare over there message. Now here we are going to pass the data with the help of string. Okay, whatever the data we want to share, say, let's say welcome to the user component. This is the user file. Oh yes. Okay, user component. Okay, let's save it. And now we will go to the employee component. And here we are going to use again with the property binding, and we will pass whatever the message you want to pass. We will need to pass it with the help of single double quotes, and then we need to pass as a string in this. This is the message. Okay, let's say welcome to the employee component. Now, okay, employee component. Okay. Let's save it. Let's check this one. How? If we will go here. Yeah. Now, if we are in the employee component, this one is showing us welcome to the employee component. Let's go to the user component. If let's check out. Yes. This one is showing us this one welcome to the user component. In this way, whatever the message or the content we want to show, we can make it dynamic with the help of input decorator. We can make the classes also. If we want to change the class, we can pass the class, like say if I am passing the class over here, like the alert one, we can make it dynamic as well with the help of input decorator only. We will declare one more variable. In this way, we can make reusable component. Okay, with the help of this reusable component, the we can do less repetition of the code. Okay, then it will look more graceful. So that's all for the reusable component. If you have any doubt in the input decorator, you can check out my old video where I already show the input decorator and the output decorator, how we pass the value from the parent to the child and child to the parent. That's all for the video, this one. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.